Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Font Awesome icons for brand consistency, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Font Awesome icons for brand consistency, begin by visiting the Font Awesome website. Look for the Start Using Free button and click on it. You will be redirected to a page where you can choose to either use the CDN or download the files. For beginners, using the CDN is the easiest option. Copy the provided CDN link. Open your HTML file in a text editor. Paste the CDN link inside the head section of your HTML document. Save the changes to your HTML file. Next, go back to the Font Awesome website and explore the icon library. Choose the icons that best represent your brand. Once you find an icon you like, click on it for details. You will see an HTML code snippet for the icon. Copy the provided HTML code. Navigate to the section of your HTML file where you want the icon to appear. Paste the copied HTML code into that section. Save your HTML file again. Open it in a web browser to see your new icons in action. Check to ensure they appear as expected. If everything looks good, proceed to add more icons as needed. Make sure to maintain visual consistency by using similar styles and weights. Consider using icons that complement your brand colors. Incorporating these icons will enhance your overall brand presentation. Remember to periodically check for updates to Font Awesome for new icons and features. With these steps completed, your brand consistency will be significantly improved through the effective use of Font Awesome icons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.